Say Prom High Heasel nightclub stands out as a paragon of modern nightlife, redefining what it means to experience an evening out. Situated in the vibrant heart of a dynamic metropolis, the club is a sanctuary of luxury and excitement that draws an eclectic crowd from all corners of the city and beyond. From the moment you approach its grand entrance, the ambience is palpable, sleek. Contemporary design seamlessly blends with opulent touches, creating a visually stunning environment that sets the tone for an extraordinary night. Inside, guests are greeted by a mesmerizing fusion of high-tech elements and lavish decor, with walls adorned in striking art installations and ambient lighting that shifts to complement the club's pulsating rhythm. The club's sophisticated layout includes a range of areas designed to cater to different moods and preferences. The main dance floor is the heart of the action, where cutting-edge sound systems deliver booming beats and live performances that keep energy levels high and spirits soaring. Around the perimeter, stylish lounge areas offer a more relaxed atmosphere, complete with plush seating and private alcoves where guests can unwind and socialize in comfort. The bar area is a highlight in itself, featuring a curated selection of top-shelf spirits and inventive cocktails crafted by some of the city's finest mixologists. Each drink is a masterpiece, thoughtfully designed to enhance the sensory experience and add an extra layer of enjoyment to the evening. Service at Say Prom High Heasel nightclub is impeccable, with a team of attentive and professional staff dedicated to ensuring that every guest's experience is flawless. Whether it's through personalized drink recommendations, efficient table service, or a friendly conversation, the staff adds a layer of warmth and sophistication to the overall experience. The club also prides itself on fostering an inclusive atmosphere where diverse groups can come together to celebrate, dance, and enjoy each other's company without pretense or reservation. In addition to its regular programming, the club frequently hosts exclusive events and themed nights that draw in crowds eager for something unique and memorable. These events often feature special guest DJs, renowned performers, or immersive experiences that transform the venue into a world of fantasy and exhilaration. Every aspect of Say Prom High Heasel nightclub, from its aesthetic appeal to its high-energy entertainment, is meticulously designed to offer a night out that is both luxurious and exhilarating. For those seeking a premier destination in nightlife, Say Prom High Heasel nightclub is not just a place to go, it's an experience to savor and remember.